Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My today's recipe is Kids Delight or everyone's favorite vegetable pizza. But today I'm making the pizza without cheese or without yeast. So let's not waste time and let's get started.
The ingredients we need to prepare the white sauce are butter 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon, milk half cup plus 1 tablespoon, salt 1/8 teaspoon, maida or all-purpose flour 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon. Now in a pan take butter, all-purpose flour, salt and cook them at low flame for 3 to 4 minutes. In this recipe, I have used salted butter. Make sure you don't burn it or it shouldn't be undercooked. Continue whisking and add milk. The milk should be at room temperature. Whisk and cook till it thickens. Now let's check the ingredients we need to prepare red sauce. Chopped onions half cup, chopped ginger half tablespoon, chopped garlic 1 tablespoon, chopped tomato 1 cup, water half cup, white oil 2 tablespoon, oregano 1/8 teaspoon, salt half teaspoon, sugar half teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Oregano is optional. Now in a pan add ginger, garlic, onion, tomato, salt, sugar and half cup water. Cover and cook for 6 to 7 minutes. You can use tomato ketchup in case you don't want to use this red sauce. Now time to check after 7 minutes. Let it cool down totally and then grind it and make a paste. Now again in a pan add 2 tablespoons white oil, add the paste, then add oregano, Kashmiri red chili powder for the color and mix it well. Now add little water, mix it well once again and cook till oil separates. Now the ingredients we need to prepare the dough for pizza base. All-purpose flour or maida half cup plus 2 tablespoons. Dahi or curd or yogurt 3 tablespoons. Water 1 tablespoon. Sugar half teaspoon. Salt 1/4 teaspoon. Baking powder 1/4 teaspoon, baking soda 1/4 teaspoon, white oil 1 teaspoon. Now time to prepare the dough. Add all the dry ingredients together with oil and mix it well. Then add water and curd. Knead this dough very well for 6 to 7 minutes to get a smooth texture. Then cover and let it rest for 1 hour. Now preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for 10 minutes. Now grease your pizza tray or baking tray with little oil, butter or ghee. Roll your pizza base very thin. Place it on the baking tray. I made one pizza out of this dough. Place the rolled dough on your pizza plate. Spread it with your hand. Press it very thin as it will puff up little bit. Now spread the red sauce or the tomato ketchup. Put our creamy white sauce on top of it. The white sauce will add a creamy, delicious flavor. The pizza will not feel dry and still be tasty without cheese. Now, time to add some veggies. I have used green bell pepper, onions and tomatoes. You can add any vegetable of your choice. I have not used oregano or chili flakes on top. You can add oregano or chili flakes as per your choice. Now, time to bake. Bake it for 20 minutes in your preheated oven. Time to check. Our pizza is ready. See how beautiful it looks, just like an extra cheese pizza. See, the pizza has puffed up little bit. The base has also turned out nice and golden. Dear friends, if you enjoy the recipe, give it a like, share, comment and feel free to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Till then, bye.